In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in a Smartsheet report. Whether you're trying to make your data more readable or just cleaning up your sheet's appearance, enabling text wrapping is a simple yet effective way to enhance your report. So, let's dive right in. First up, we need to open the source sheet. This is the sheet that provides the foundation for your report, containing all the critical data driving its insights. It's crucial to start from the correct place, so make sure you're in the right sheet before proceeding. Next, you'll want to select the column or columns where you wish to enable text wrapping. Look for the lettered headers at the top of your sheet. These headers identify your columns, and you'll need to click on them to highlight your selection. If you're wrapping text in multiple columns, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each column header you need. With your column selected, it's time to activate text wrapping. In the toolbar at the top of your Smartsheet, you'll find a variety of tools designed to help you format your data. Locate the text wrapping icon. It usually looks like a two-line symbol indicating how text can wrap within a cell. Go ahead and click that. If the toolbar option isn't working for you, or you'd prefer another method, there's an alternative. You can right-click on your selected columns, which will open a context menu. From there, choose Column Properties. This option lets you manage specific settings for your columns. Once you're in the column properties, look for the option to Wrap Text and make sure to check that box. After you've enabled text wrapping through either method, it's important not to forget the final step. Save your changes. In Smartsheet, changes can sometimes be lost if you don't ensure they're saved, especially when editing multiple sheets or using the application over a spotty internet connection. When you save your changes, the text wrapping feature will immediately be applied to your selected columns, meaning your data should now display in a more organized and readable way. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've made your Smartsheet report more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Remember, text wrapping is an ongoing solution. If you add more data or columns in the future, you may need to repeat this process to maintain consistency across your sheet. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped you gain more control over your Smartsheet reports. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to unleash the full potential of Smartsheet.